breakfast time.
Happy eating, guys. Dami tao. Eat well, ha? That's omelette with cheese only. You like that? Okay.
The breakfast buffet was so good. I ate so much. But now, it's time to burn some energy and swim.
Enjoy the rest of the day, Ton. Tatay's still working.
Church time. We are here in Baguio Cathedral. Look, it's so foggy here.
Woohoo! Enjoying Baguio, Tony?
Yes.
We're gonna have some coffee inside the Rebel Bake Shop.
Yay! We just ate bulalo and now we're having coffee. I'm gonna order dark chocolate and fried yema.
Oh yes, masarap to dark choco. Wow. And the yema cake, okay? We're gonna have drinks for everyone before they go home.
Yay!
Ayun na sila.
Ayan sa inyo, ice choco.
Ano po yung
Ice pan. Saan yung ice mocha? Ito, ano?
Yes po, yung may...
Ito po yung ice pan.
Yes po. Ito po yung lemon.
Sige na lemon honey. Ay, sorry. Pero pa ito.
We're here at SM Baguio. Look at the view. Look over there. Burnham Park. I wanna ride.
You want to ride?
Yeah. I wanna ride
Again,
on
on those
a boat.
mini boats?
Yeah.
We'll check tomorrow if we can, okay?
Okay.
But now, chill muna tayo dito sa SM. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. Actually, hindi pa ata 6. Anong oras na?
Like 5:30.
5:30. Okay. 5:44 to be exact. Tony, alam mo dati nagpunta tayo doon, o kami. Yung nauso yung La Presa. Nila, ano yun, si Enrique Hill and Liza. Doon sa dalawang malaking plato na yun.
What's there?
Yung La Presa doon, shooting. Pupunta kami doon, ayan. Kasama sila Mami Yoli. How's your duckies? Hindi ba sila giniginaw?
I think so.
Okay. Umuwi na sila, Kuya Arcel, no? Anyway, buti na-meet natin sila dito.
Yes.
Hindi natin alam na nandito sila, diba? Ganun kami hindi nag-uusap.
It was a coincidence.
Yes, nalaman ko nandito sila. Nandito na rin tayo.
Yeah.
We didn't plan for it, but at least nakita tayo even for a short while. Kasi bababa na sila. May pasok na tomorrow yung mga kids. Uy, may ilaw na! Kanina ba meron o wala?
Yeah.
Kakasindi lang ngayon?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, let's enjoy the rest of the day here at Baguio.
Yay!
Ay, hindi kakita yan. Yay!
Yay!
Love you, Tony.
Love you. Thank you,
Mwah.
Nani and Tatay, for bringing me here.
As always, you're always welcome. Love, love.
Love, love. just finished eating breakfast and now I'm eating watermelons, my favorite part. So good.
Tamis, no? Later, you're gonna swim again?
Yes, definitely.
Nagpunta sa Baguio para mag-swimming, kakaiba to. Kakaibang trip, oh. Kasi wala na tayong pupuntahan ata dito. Halos lahat puntahan na natin, eh, no? Ah, sige. Enjoy your watermelon, sweetie.
Thank you. Mwah.
Love, love.
Love, love.
Mwah. Bata. Ubus mo na?
Time to swim now. Okay. There. It's lukewarm.
Lukewarm, okay. Ano, kumusta? Hindi malamig? It's not cold?
Just a little one.
Sige. Solo mo ang pool, Tony, ah. Enjoy.
Welcome to Mines View Park.
Tony! I believe na alo ka sa windmill mo.
Sapay.
Yung baby ko, kala ko dalaga na baby pa rin pala. I love it.
We're here at Good Shepherd's. Time to buy pasalubong. Look at the vertical garden. Can you read what it says?
Ikaw, nabasa mo ba? You cannot read actually. Hindi ko mabasa pag nandito sa personal. Pero pag dito sa cam, nakababasa ko siya. It's nice. Come on, let's buy na. Tony.
Comment it down on the section. Comment it na lang. I can't read it. We bought some ubi jam. Sorry, Mommy Yoli, there was no more peanut.
Or cashew brittle.
Yeah.
Nga eh. Try na. Hindi pa daw sila gumagawa eh. Para man akong gusto. Next time.
Yeah, next time. Welcome to Manor.
Come on, let's go buy some breads.
Woo. Let's go.
Go.
Cheese bread for Tatay. because it's Tatay's favorite. Let's go. I can't believe this fountain is still here after all those years. And I think there also used to be fish here, but I think they're gone now, so that's sad.
Meron bang isda dyan dati?
Yeah, I think there was koi.
Hindi ko na maalala.
Okay, now let's go look for Tatay. I don't know where he is.
Oh, he's just around the corner. Okay, come on.
Let's go.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Okay, thank you.
Tony, what are you gonna be having? Asan na yung LEC mo? Tumumba na. Pagod na. Pagod na, beshi ko.
Yeah.
What are you gonna be having?
I'm gonna be having ice cream while watching the sunset at Manor.
OMG, lamig-lamig na nga. Ice cream ka pa. Lagot ka kay Mami Yoli pag inubo ka. Sige, enjoy. What's the flavor?
Black Forest.
Okay, let me see. Open it. Show it to you. May mga ano eh, tindahan dito. Ayan yung mga ganyang ano. Yung isa popcorn ng tinda nun. Ito ice cream. Black Forest. Okay, enjoy. Upo ka, anak.
Okay.
Malasa yung cherry. Black Forest, diba? Tama?
Yeah. It tastes like chocolate cake.
Yung Black Forest cake nga. Nagustuhan mo?
Yeah.
Ah, sige, enjoy mo na. Hindi na kita guguluhin. Oh, watch the sunset daw, sabi ni Tatay. Meron bang sunset? Maaga pa eh. 5 o'clock pa lang.
The clouds are pretty big.
Yeah, ayun. Okay.
We're in Grumpy Joe's right now. We're gonna eat dinner.
Tatay mo ano eh. Gusto nang kumain. Ngayon na, sige, kain na. Let's dig in. We're done praying. Now we're gonna dig in. Ang hirap kumain ng busog, Tony. Busog pa ako eh. Kain ulit. Sige, laban lang. Laban lang. We're gonna be having carbonara, buffalo chicken, and all meat and 5 cheese pizza. Enjoy, Tony.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tay.